Engineering Eng. PDF document of this video is on engineereng.com.
Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make a LED circuit flashes in the dark with LDR. Our equipment are one 9-volt battery, one BC547 transistor, one LDR, one resistor with 220 ohm resistor, one 140 k ohm resistor, and one LED. Firstly, we are going to place our transistor. After placing somewhere, we need to wire emitter and base legs with LDR. In other words, one leg of LDR must be with emitter and the other leg must be with base. After that, we are going to place our LED short leg with collector, and other leg should be placed somewhere, doesn't matter. After doing that, we take our 140 ohm resistor and wire with base leg of transistor, and like any slot after that, we take our positive leg of LED and place it with 220 ohm resistor. After doing that, we should wire our positive current to resistor slot, and our negative current should wire with emitter leg of transistor. That is our circuit, friends. After this section, we are going to test our circuit in a dark environment. Our project is operational. That is it, friends. I'm going to record another video about how transistor works. See you in the next projects. Hi everyone, in this video we are going to inspect how transistor works. We have a circuit. In this circuit, this thing is our BC547 transistor. So it's a collector leg, it's a base leg, and this leg is an emitter. For our circuit to work, current needs to flow from the collector leg and should activate our circuit. But in order for current to flow from here, our base leg must pass a certain equal voltage. So for example, if our voltage is 0.6, we have to pass this voltage of 0.6 in order for a current to follow to collector leg. In the dark, our LDR resistance increases and its equal voltage passes, so when resistor increases, our voltage increases in direct proportion and passes in this way, and our circuit is completed. In the light, this resistor coming to our LDR decreases and the voltage of our resistance decreases and our LDR is not working. In the light, our circuit works that way. It passes through our resistor and it goes and does not coming LDR LED, so our LED goes off. When there is a light, as I said, in the dark resistance increase, in light resistance decrease. So if we come this way, if the environment is dark, voltage flows equally and it comes to our collector leg, and it's in collector leg our LED feeds up with flow, and this way our circuit becomes active. When there is a light or resistance which is coming from LDR will decrease. When it decreases, our base leg cannot receive equal amount of voltage, so comes this way and goes through LDR. That is how our circuit works, friends. See you in the next projects.